I can't remember the last time I touched raw chicken. Ooh. Oh my God.
Try it out, man.
Cheers, bro. Yo, that's so good. This is my favorite show. I get to sit down, I get to eat noodles with amazing people. Today, I got Chef Cheo in the building. He's the house chef of the FaZeClan, one of the biggest names in the esports community. And he's gonna show me a little bit about what it takes to make it to the top. This is Just Warming Up. This is cool, because we've been buds for a minute, but buddies don't normally interview each other.
No.
All right, so for the people who don't know, what is the FaZeClan?
Well, FaZeClan was a gaming clan. It was from Call of Duty.
Yeah.
These guys, they came together and they used to do trick shots and all that. They started recording on YouTube and they started to blow up. And then from there, they started doing skits for themselves on YouTube.
Got it.
And then they built professional teams.
So what's the trick shots? Trick shots like when you see someone playing first-person shooter, they snipe from across the field?
They'll jump off something high, do like a 720, no scope, like just change their guns and kill someone.
Yeah.
And then it'll be like the last kill.
How do you link up with the guys in FaZe?
I knew the guys before when they moved to New York, and I care about them. I wanted to see what I can do to provide a better chance for them to grow. I grew up cooking, and I have a daughter, and I had to cook for her.
Yeah.
So I was like, I can bring that aspect of being there for them, cooking, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, just helping them organize their day, and
That's something they needed.
That's something it was something that was needed, I felt like at the time. Being a father aspect, like for my daughter, like I could kind of see it being in the FaZe house, like I'm kind of like I'm not the dad of the house, I'm not their father, but yeah. I bring that like father-like responsibility, like discipline to the guys. Like say, hey, you can't always do this. What I instill to my daughter, like I want to instill to them, like hey, I want to give the best advice, and be the best role model.
All right, so tell me a little bit more about growing up.
Grew up in Boston. I was raised by my mom. She was a single mother. She worked 3 jobs, so her working 3 jobs, I had to learn how to cook. I couldn't depend on her cooking for me all the time.
Yeah.
So my mom was like, hey, you know what? I'll cook you this meal and I'll show you how to cook it, and then from there you gotta run with it.
What's something she taught you how to cook?
Like rice, beans, chicken. Like that's like every Puerto Rican Dominican's daily meal, which I love. Like I can eat that all day, every day.
All right, so now you got 2 families, right? You've instilled some great stuff in your daughter. You're bringing some qualities and chef stuff to the house.
Yeah.
But you gotta learn from them too. Like, what do you pick up? Like these dudes are mega successes.
Anything is really possible as long as you just grind it out. Everybody came from somewhere different. Mm-hmm. We got one person from Sweden, one person from Canada, one from Brazil.
Yeah.
And as long as they believed in themselves and just came together and just grinded out, it worked.
But what's next? What's next for you?
Well, what's next for me, I'm going to be getting more into the management side with the guys. So I'm just going to be taking care of everything, making sure they're on time for everything. Like I like that for them. It helps me know that they're going to get things done and continue to kill it. I'm obviously going to cook here and there for them, but that's not going to be my main focus.
I got to shoot you straight. I don't know how to cook.
I can teach you how to make some fried chicken.
Okay.
Mix it in with some Cup Noodles, and it'll be bomb. I guarantee it.
I'm just gonna come over to your house.
Come through, bro. I'm ready. I'm always ready to teach people how to make something.
All right, cheers.
So that means I don't have to cook for you. You can make it yourself.
All right, we just came back from shopping. We got all our ingredients we need to make this karaage chicken. I've never actually touched chicken.
Really?
Yeah, like raw chicken. I've never touched it before in my life.
I'm gonna break this whole thing from you. You're gonna touch some chicken. You're gonna fry some chicken.
Okay.
Let's get it started.
So why are we making this? Because the dudes in the house love fried chicken?
Recently, I went to go get some ramen.
Yeah.
And I had some karaage chicken, and I put it in the ramen, and I'm like, this is amazing.
Okay.
Guys need to try this. They loved it. So I gotta bring it out to you guys.
All right, so we don't have to make the ramen because we got cup noodles.
No, it's really simple. Boil some water. It has all the other ingredients, the broth in here, so you're straight.
Dude, so we just focus on the chicken. All right.
Now we're gonna get technical with the chicken. So I want you actually to clean out the chicken.
I do what now?
You're doing all this.
Okay.
So put that on here right now.
Okay. All right.
This guy has a bone in, so you want to take it off from the tendon, so you want to cut around it.
I'll just cut around the bone. There's just one bone in here?
There's just one bone in there. I'm kind of scared for you, but I'm going to let you do your thing because it's amusing for everybody else.
That's a clean cut, right?
Man, yeah, I guess.
It's usable?
You know what?
That's the bone. okay, but there's a lot of meat on it.
We have like 2 pieces of karaage.
This is so hard.
It's all right. I'm gonna do it for you. So yeah, usually just.
You know what I like to do is I like to talk to people that are cooking, and then before you know it, the recipe's done.
Oh yeah,
That's the move, dog. That's the move. We
All
good.
right,
We
so
got
we're
this
good
chicken.
for the chicken. So we got the other ingredients to mix for the seasoning. We have like about a tablespoon of minced garlic,
Ooh.
2 tablespoons of soy, tablespoon of sugar. We have a lot of sake here. I don't know how this turned out,
Okay. A little heavy-handed pour. It's gonna cook off anyway, so it's all good.
but we also had to grate
Ginger.
ginger.
Here we go.
Sauce it up. All right, that's good. Now you want to whisk this.
Oh yeah, I'm starting to get all that flavor. You get a little bit of sake aroma,
Smell it.
garlic.
It smells great though.
It smells so bomb. Okay.
You want to pour that onto the chicken.
All right, so the dudes in the house, they normally like it a little bit simple. They
Yeah,
have that taste.
the guys are simple in the house. Rice, chicken, vegetables, steak. Either before they're making their video or right after they're making their video.
Right.
You know, they're on me of what time they want to eat. And then from there, you would put it in the fridge for about an hour, let it sit.
Okay. Camera magic?
Yeah, just do some camera magic.
Camera magic, throw it in the fridge. Woo!
We have the water boiling for the cup noodles.
Yep.
And since we don't have a deep fryer, not everybody has a deep fryer, we can use a pan. Might as well.
Let's go.
Now, you put the marinated chicken into the flour.
Okay.
Shake it up in there, bro. Cover it completely. You can do it one by one and just gently put it onto the pan. You see how it's sizzling?
Dude, this is exciting. I didn't know you could actually fry in a pot like this. So let's
Yeah.
go. Smaller guys can come up.
Come on, guys.
All right, that guy. Yo,
I'm
okay.
actually impressed with you today, bro. Like, you killed it.
This looks good. This looks like it's sitting in a restaurant.
Don't burn yourself, please. It's really hot.
Oh man, that broth smells good. So should we bust one of these open, see what they look like?
Yeah, man.
Look at that. Oh man, that's some nice crunch. Oh my god.
Try it out, man.
Cheers, bro. Yo. Yo. 3 minutes are up. Woo. All right, I'm gonna peel it all the way off. All right, we're gonna do the full plating. All right, I'm gonna hit it with some chili sauce because I just love it. All right.
Oh, get some spice.
Oh yeah, I like a little extra kick. And then you said when you first had this, you let the chicken kind of soak.
Yeah, I soaked it in.
Well then, we'll get one in there. That's the bonus chicken at the end. Let it sink at the bottom. Do this. Ooh, ooh. Boom, bro.
I'm ready to try it.
Let's go, man. Dude, that's so good. Cheo, dude, I appreciate you. Thank you for teaching me everything today.
Anytime, bro.
You taught me how to fry chicken, and lastly, be humble.
Of course.
That's the way to get
Always
to the top. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Cheers, man. Just warming up.
Just warming up. Ooh, look at this chicken.
Ooh.